Okay, now we're going to define base and exponent. We're going to use base and exponent still using our powers of 10. A base is the number that is used as a repeated factor. And as we know, factors are the numbers that we use in multiplicative or multiplication. So, since we're using powers of 10, I'm just going to put a 10 over our columns. The exponent lets me know how many times I'm going to repeat my base. In this particular instance, again, we're using powers of 10. So my base will always be 10. My exponent, in this particular case I'm using 2, lets me know how many times I'm going to repeat my base. So I have 10 to the second power, or 10 squared, means I repeat my 10 2 times, and I'm going to multiply it by itself. 10 times 10 equals 100. So that means over the hundreds place value, I'll put 10 to the second power. Now I have 10 to the third power, which means I'm going to repeat my base 3 times. My base again is 10. So that means 10 times 10 times 10. We just discovered that 10 times 10 is 100. And then 100 times 10 will give me 1,000. So that means over the thousands place, that will be 10 to the third power. If I have 10 to the first power, that means I'm repeating my base, which is 10, 1 time. If I write 10 one time, it's simply 10. So in my tens place, it will be 10 to the first power. The ones place can be a little tricky for some. We can look at the pattern and see it goes 3, 2, 1. And we also should know this rule. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So, in the ones column, we're going to have 10 to the 0 power. Another strategy that I'll use when dealing with exponents and powers of 10 is, again, our base is 10. My exponent lets me know how many zeros come behind my 1. An example would be, if I have 10 to the 0 power, that means I shouldn't have any zeros behind my 1. So 10 to the 0 power is 1. If I have 10 to the third power, this is telling me I should have 3 zeros behind my 1. If I bring down my 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, I have 1,000. And 10 to the third power is 1,000. Let's take 10 to the 8th power. I'm going to bring my 1 down. The 8 lets me know how many zeros there are behind my 1. So I have 8 zeros behind my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, comma, comma. So 10 to the 8th power will be 100 million.
Both. Everything I do. Everything I do. Everything I do, I do it in a boss way.